More than 3,000 people have died and rescuers are racing to pull survivors from beneath the rubble after a devastating earthquake ripped through Turkey and Syria, leaving destruction and debris on each side of the border. One of the strongest earthquakes to hit the region in a century shook residents from their beds at around 4 a.m. on Monday, sending tremors as far away as Lebanon and Israel. In Turkey, at least 3,000 people have died at the moment when this video was recorded, and several thousand are injured, according to the country's Disaster and Emergency Management Agency. In neighboring Syria, at least 1,000 have died. According to the Syrian state news agency SANA, 500 people have died across government-controlled areas, mostly in the regions of Aleppo, Hama, Latakia, and Tartus. The White Helmets group, officially known as the Syria Civil Defense, reported 390 deaths in opposition-controlled areas. Much of northwestern Syria, which borders Turkey, is controlled by anti-government forces amid a bloody civil war that began in 2011. The epicenter of the 7.8 magnitude quake was 23 kilometers, 14.2 miles, east of Nurdagi, in Turkey's Gaziantep province, at a depth of 24.1 kilometers, 14.9 miles, the United States Geological Survey said. Around 9 hours later, a major aftershock that measured 7.5 in magnitude struck in Turkey, according to the USGS. That shock hit around 95 kilometers, 59 miles, north of the original quake. Syrian rescuers and civilians search for victims and survivors amid the rubble of a collapsed building in the rebel-held northern countryside of Syria's Idlib province on the border with Turkey, early on February 6, 2023. Monday's quake is believed to be the strongest to hit Turkey since 1939, when an earthquake of the same magnitude killed 30,000 people, according to the USGS. Earthquakes of this magnitude are rare, with fewer than 5 occurring each year on average, anywhere in the world. 7 quakes with magnitude 7.0 or greater have struck Turkey in the past 25 years, but Monday's is the most powerful. Strong aftershocks have been felt in southern and central Turkey. About 11 minutes after the main quake hit, an aftershock of 6.7 magnitude hit about 32 kilometers, 20 miles, northwest of the main quake's epicenter. Another intense aftershock with a magnitude of 5.6 then occurred 19 minutes after the main quake.